Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing. Let's see how this goes real quick. As I always like to tell you guys, I'm doing this fast for the purposes of the video, so do not copy how I do this. And looks like it gotten packaged pretty fast. Ooh, what is this that we have right here? Looks pretty interesting. It looks like it might be a Zorro. And it didn't come with a sword though, and I'm not sure why that's the case. Anyway, this is the Radio Master Zorro, and a few of the awesome people in the channels behind have been talking about this radio, saying that it is fantastic, especially Captain Drone, and we like him. We like him. As well as Joshua Bardwell and a bunch of amazing other people that you guys see over there. Drone Camps, RC, we've got
Likey